Hey guys, this is Silk again. You understand? I'm back again with another video. This is Pop Balloon or Find Love, but this one is Jamaican edition. You understand? Hey, I see a lot of video guys reaching out to me and say, yo, Silk, warm to that. I'm say, say it you know. This is it. You understand? But it seems like, say, yo, these Jamaicans not taking the thing serious, bro. You know, like a joke thing. No man no want to find no love. Eh? No female do not want to find any love now. Eh? You're going to find love today on this channel when you watch these things. You understand? You go there. But do not pop the balloon if you want to find love though. See?
The balloon are find love, the man, them ready?
Hey, you ready? People, first subscribe to Silk Reacts, okay? And subscribe to this channel as well. One code music channel. Right now, you want to hear your dancehall or you want to hear a pop balloon love find challenge song. Eh? Go there and listen to your favorite music, okay? Subscribe.
Yo, the man them ready, you know. Yo, me not like. It's simple and easy. If a female walk in and you don't like her, pop the balloon based on her appearance, right?
Yeah.
If you like her, yeah. First, hold on.
Like Choppy over this ready for pop a balloon. But this a man in a black who have on the blue Nike. You ready for find love, bro? Someone not ready. Not even a chain around him neck, bro. Then I feel like the girl am gonna love the chain around the neck or something.
Who start?
Yo, look on Choppy over this up.
Any man have them ex break up 3 days ago? No? Alright, let's do this. Watch out. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe below.
See that? Subscribe right now, people. Don't
Please
delay.
like the video. May I wait?
Me a wait too.
Thank
Big
you.
up on yourself. So me I say,
Make sure you big up like boss for the visual right. That's so.
bang.
The man them a lead. Me not lie. Chips.
Ready, people. We'll get tonight and see if them really want to find love. Right. man.
Chip. Yo, I want big up everybody who are show the channel love, you know. Yo, me love you know. Me I forgot give you something. We give you one car. Oh, we not stay so. Watch out, the man them ready? We not ready? Don't. The man them ready, you know. Yo, the man them, tell us
See
star.
them
We not
ready.
like Kingston. We there back in Kingston. Mobile, we not ready? Mobile ready? Mobile not ready for this. Mobile, comment on a parish pound a day. If you know want win on a hometown, comment it no man, saying in the first female, yeah?
Yes, guys, see the right on the subscribe now. Subscribe and comment which video you want me to react to, okay? Not a full video though, I understand. Show some love. Yeah.
Alright, watch you now. The man them look so then. Yeah. Man them look so. When you fall there so.
Seems like the
Yeah.
female are forward in, you know.
Saying in the first female.
First female.
Man, yeah. So every man, yeah. Alright. That is it.
That is it. Channel star. See balloon I go pop
Alright.
you now.
Introduce yourself.
Hold up.
Hi, my name is Tamia.
Tamia, alright.
If a man a squeeze, someone hold on him balloon with the needle.
What about job you do, Tamia?
I'm a call center worker.
Who?
I'm a call center worker. What's it?
Shit.
That's crazy.
This one now buck again.
What now, but again?
Oh, whoa.
Seems like them no want the call center work, girl.
Nobody like call center? No. Alright then.
Too
Alright.
much, hey, that
Alright.
the man then I black say too much man.
Hold on, my G. Shout out the social.
Alright, so on Instagram, I'm Italia, and on TikTok is Italian.
Alright.
Alright, we'll find out
Nice
why them
name,
pop the
man.
balloon.
Italia.
That good with you?
Sure, that's okay.
Alright, we'll come over that side, yeah? Alright, my G. Why you just there, to that side there, yeah?
Okay.
Alright, my G. Why you pop the balloon? Your name?
Ryan Official on the gram, you know, myself shirt as well, so you can find me at Saints Kingdom Jam. The reason why I'm pop the balloon is I'm working at HR1 call center and most wickedest set of girl them work at call center from. I can tell you, first-hand experience. You're hot and everything, like you look nice. I like the thickness because I want a girl with her body big so. You have
Can
that.
you work too hard for come to a flat body girl, though?
Yeah, I can't manage them style there. And then when you give on hard, I can't manage
Call center?
call center girl them give on hard. I work there, bro, I can't
Can
tell
I?
you.
Oh, so you work at call center?
Yeah, man, HR, bro.
Hold on, they look like mama want done him like water buckle.
Hear the story.
Give
them
mama,
and see
hey,
them.
give her a chance when, hey.
First hand.
Or the party?
Bro, them gyal are wicked, brother. They have never tell a lie.
It's crazy.
Alright. So basically, alright, what you have to say?
I want to add something.
Sure.
I want to ask you a question. You have
Sure.
Netflix at home, right?
Yeah.
You ever look on a movie just by looking at the cover? You be like, no, that no movie they are friggy, but you end up watching it anyway and the show the bad.
Yeah, I know what to start. So I say, are you that?
Yeah, because like, why you gonna judge me? It's a honest living. I make money,
Me no say
but go
not
work
honest.
and come. I know, but you're judging me by my profession.
PTSD.
But-
Hurt. My heart broke. Hurt.
But you're sure bad. You say you're sure bad.
Yeah.
But,
Yeah, I'm
but you
just-
know I press play, I watch a trailer.
Yeah, I mean, like, why not press play though?
You search for IMDb and see much rating you get out of 10.
Alright, how much did I rate her from 1 to 10 now?
That give her 8, man. She solid. She nice.
Yeah.
As I said, bro, she probably give about enough too.
Judge
ask her then.
I
You
mean,
eat
what
bread
you-
and them thing there?
of course, why
You
not?
don't eat bread. You can't there with your cause.
Why you don't eat bread?
No,
Suppose
me
you
no
have
like
nothing in
bread.
your house and a bread alone you have.
Crackers, what do you? Crackers and tea. Get where I come from, you know?
That's
Alright.
okay.
Alright, so what about him? If him never pop the balloon, how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
9.5.
Bad
Yeah.
man.
I
Bad man.
give
know,
me a
hey,
vibe.
it seems like a mama did love to, you know. Trust me, 9.5.
Yeah, vibe.
I really,
Look,
Afraid they give me
humble.
bun, dog.
That's okay. That's okay. But I know my intentions
Yeah.
and it is pure. But whatever you say,
Alright.
we can't really, you know, what it is, what it is.
Alright.
Ryan Official, find me on the gram at
Yeah,
Ryan
man, Ryan,
Official,
big
you
up
know,
yourself,
Saints
at
Kingdom,
least you're honest.
that's on my business page, and King's Castle on TikTok, you know, so outside.
bang.
Your name, why you pop the balloon?
Letter boss. And
Letter
the main
boss.
reason why I'm pop the balloon is call center girls don't really have time for nobody, you see.
Busy.
Yeah, I mean, it's a toxic youth. So, nothing wrong with her and thing. She good enough. She know my style, so she alright. But just
Well,
not have the time, and he's a very toxic youth, you see.
Oh, so basically she too busy.
Yeah, she get too busy. She not got
I
no time
mean,
for me.
my campaign, we work from Mondays to Fridays.
A weekend
off on
free.
Weekends.
Still
And it
busy.
depends on the...
If I talk to me every day,
Every
They
day.
talk to you every
Right,
day.
true.
Well, I understand that. You require a lot of attention.
yeah.
That's okay. I
Alright.
understand.
So what you think about her?
She alright, man. I like her style, isn't me, and her attitude.
Her attitude good.
She's a very...
So much did I rate her?
I give her 7 so far, you know?
So,
Yeah.
and what you think about him respond?
You know, for him opinion, you know,
And I'm
like
honest.
him, like, exactly. So, that's that.
And I true too. I don't have no time for nobody.
That's true because
Right.
I practically spend more time at work than my own yard. So,
Wow. Good. You know, Wally.
yeah, it's a call.
So much did I
center.
rate him from 1 to 10?
I'll give you a 7.5. Your dress good, but you know, could have you know your ear a little bit.
I know such women never have no time still.
No, that's okay. That's okay.
Alright.
Hey, mama, be honest too. Guys, subscribe to the channel, please. You understand? Yes, it is not a and hey, subscribe. Alright. Pop Balloon, Find Love, Jamaica edition. See, subscribe right now. It's not a channel. Subscribe to the channel.
Listen up, I don't know, you know.
Yeah man, you don't know a letter boss there is it A to Z.
Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. What your name, I'll find out why you pop the balloon, your name?
I'm Ling. Reason why I pop the balloons to just not my type.
I must say, bro, talk up to make a female hear what you say. What you say?
You know, like them too thick.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
just
Because
because
she
she
say
thick?
I'm a workout guy still, so
Just because
I
she
feel
thick?
like you know, I have to depend par with him. So
no,
that's
not
okay.
necessarily that. I'm more like light skin woman, like very light skin.
Oh, she not,
Too
she not
light.
light skin. Oh, she not light skin enough.
Yeah, basically, isn't it? So,
Robot some more.
yeah.
Skin more about some more.
So you think about that?
A file paper.
We're at 6.5
Yeah,
still.
no.
No?
6.5. I'll be a race.
Yes, sir. What you say about him? If him never pop the balloon,
I give you an 8. You look nice. I like the whole thing going on.
Well, it seems like Mama we really want to find love in her because you notice Mama just grade them over for them grade.
Look, you put yourself together. You're going with yourself.
Respect.
Yeah.
alright?
Bang! Subscribe.
Alright, my G. Why you pop the balloon? Your name?
Well, you know, say Sammy official for the gram is in one Sammy official. And the reason why I'm a pop balloon, it's just not my type. She just too thick. You see me? You see her mug and skinny. Yeah, she just too thick. You see me from me? Yeah.
Too thick.
Yeah, she just too thick.
Mama too thick like mud.
You have thick and you have too thick.
You have too thick, you have thick, you have slim thick, you have
Slim
slim.
thick.
Yeah, exactly.
So which one that?
No, it's
Which
mama.
show?
She's just too thick for me. Alright.
Okay, alright. So what you think about her? Differently than her
Well, you know,
thickness.
say, she beautiful. You see me? I like girl who wear like blonde, different color wig. Some sister, she a girl who can put herself together. She look good. If you're a too thick girl, she know to bring her for her style and you see me, put herself there. So she can go on. You see me? I like her other from the too thick. Yeah. So if she have be my match, if she never too thick.
Too thick.
Oh, so much should I rate her from 1 to 10 though?
So I'm gonna get
Yo! John Star, bro. You can't watch them thing and just have a serious face, bro. You have to laugh, Charlie. Cut it out. It does the one 2 tick, 3 tick, 5 tick. Hey, people, put a tick on the subscribe, please.
7.5.
7.5.
Yeah.
You think about him or you think about Sammy?
Sammy good. Him look nice, like the shoes, everything. But why you have on the tag?
Shit.
Why you
Like
have
the
on
balloon
tag
there
your
on the
pants?
sun, I like you,
Why
mama.
why you have on the tag on your pants?
Yeah.
Sorry about that. It's Countryman alone pop tag. But you see the tag, it comes with the pants.
Okay.
I pop the one at the back,
Back.
because that not for you with it. But this is the iron one. But yeah. that
Okay,
is
so it's
the-
just for fashion and stuff.
just for fashion and style.
Okay, no problem.
Alright, Sammy? Who yet then?
So hold on, rest of man, my countryman too. Man,
Please like the video.
John,
May I wait? Thank you.
Couldn't
Alright,
say that
somebody
one
pop the
time
balloon,
in
you
the
gotta
man.
find out why. Yo. Alright, my G, why you pop the balloon? Your name?
Rain. Rain is the name, like rain outside. Yeah. Alright, so the
Rain.
reason I'm put the balloon is because I was waiting just to hear what you have to say, isn't me? And then after me hear what you have to say, you resemble my ex.
Shit.
She a wicked, bro. She a wicked.
What that mean say me a wicked, me can be the nice one.
Exactly like your ex?
Not exactly, but you know what I mean? Yeah, I mean, you can be the nice one, but me not really like take the chances again. Me have-
That's okay.
Yeah.
You're being
Yeah.
Hey, the man have experience, bro.
cautious.
Oh, so she get a flashback vibes.
Yeah, like a
Flashback.
wicked
Deja
one.
vu.
A wicked one, isn't
One
it?
too.
Alright?
A wicked one, bro.
Alright, so based on her appearance though, what you think about her?
I mean, like I said, she look like my ex, so you don't know she. You know what I mean?
I one.
Jaja.
One she get.
I get her 8.
You don't want to give her a compliment, because you like compliment the ex.
Yeah.
Kinda,
Dog
isn't
no
it?
one
Oh,
compliment.
she
But
wicked, alright.
yes,
What-
still him give him
my
extra
girl.
8 still, maybe.
8.
Yeah.
It's giving 9.5.
Ah,
9.5.
10.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Like how you put yourself together as a man for look. You know?
thank you.
As a man for look clean, trim up, nice, everything. Like the watch. You're giving.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Alright.
Shit.
Man get jealous.
Huh?
Man jealous. Watching them on a rain sun attack, you see me I say.
Dog,
Rain
yo,
sun music.
dog say dog jealous.
That social media page, you see me?
Yeah, man,
One
big
way,
up
another
yourself,
way.
chop chop. Code.
Come on, we'll find out why they didn't put the balloon. Alright, my G. Well, why you put the balloon all of a sudden?
Yeah.
Once in a blue moon, me trim up and nice, you know.
Eh?
Once in a blue moon, me trim up and nice.
So not every day you trim up.
Every day me trim up. So why go and me not trim up?
You not pay the money for that trim?
Nah, but you never go on.
Yeah, man, that's serious, bro. No, I think it's a personal, dog.
And every moment, me in the meds for a barber.
Yeah, but I chose to.
Don't
Sometimes
make
a
sure
bush.
see your ear comb, come I comb ear too. Make sure see you look like a
See,
decent
that's
boy
when
all
I
the
realize
time.
when I start worry about the wrong things.
Oh, you just want to keep it out.
But you just now meds that if that I go do, it I go do. There's a time and place for everything. Sometime when you're in the
Bro,
bed,
do you hear, Chargy? The girl want you do your ear have to look nice. Hear me I say, female, the male have to look nice for to you. See me I say, no disrespect, but respectfully. Because we as male want to see the females them look nice all the time. You see me I
my
say.
ear, me don't want nobody to pressure me, so I have to do my ear.
Oh.
I appreciate you.
Like,
So now
it's
go
weird
pressure
so
your
much.
chop chop.
Look how brown boss there. As some me have it out more while, I'm feel comfortable like that.
Okay.
Oh,
So basically,
Still gonna
Team
give you a
opinions.
9, you know, because I like thick girls. You're brown. I like the look of weak style and everything there, you know. But I just not like people worry about the wrong things.
That's okay.
so you say she gotta focus too much on your groomness.
Yeah.
Oh,
I like
oh,
my
oh,
guys
oh, dog,
well
nah, go trim
groomed.
him. Nah, go trim him ear all the time. You understand? So she go worry about that. Maybe.
Come always make sure some ear cream, cut
See?
up, whatever.
You
You
know.
get what I say?
Alright.
So, and all the time I look, whatever still in them. I'm not gonna tell you, say I look while 1 and 2 time, but I like my niggas groom.
Yeah?
Right? And I give you a 9.5.
9.5.
I got you.
Yeah?
The 5 come off, guy. Why not on a belt?
And that's the other thing, worrying about the wrong stuff. You're not seeing, you know, same fit nice without the belt. You know what I mean? I'll fix that.
It's like the youth, yeah, female, for talk to the youth, yeah, be argument. Trust me.
Percent with the belt.
Argument start
Alright, my
easy.
G. Big up.
Yeah. Your boy
But you
fits
might go
her,
find
you know,
love,
we can
bro.
find
You
love
go
on
find love, bro. I don't think so, bro.
IG at Daddy Roy, DADDII.ROII.
You might find a
TikTok,
girl,
one
but
father,
I don't think
you
I
know,
settle
big
down.
up Rolly. Def.
Alright, so the male them where pop the balloon, just walk with grip.
Bang. Seems like everybody are gonna walk with Choppy one, bro.
Alright, so you left back with 2 meals
Alright.
right now. Come to that side, MG. Left back with 2 meals, right? Alright, so I'm gonna make you ask them a question. Get to know them. Any question you want to ask them. Based on them answer, we're gonna see if it's a match or not, yeah? You. Who you pick?
You.
Alright, your name?
I'm Javier.
Some volume, you're Javier.
Yeah, Javier.
All right. What kind of work do you do?
I'm a banker.
Okay. All right. See me, want to take me out. Where will you take me for the first time?
Bro,
First
said that,
time,
hey.
as I guess a restaurant get together to just talk over some food, chill.
Fair enough.
Yeah?
Yeah. fair
Restaurant, food, full belly.
enough. Not necessarily. I like my things simple.
Alright.
Yeah.
What's the question?
How old are you?
I'm actually 35.
35.
Choppy look like
Kinda off
40.
my
Choppy, you're
scale.
35, look like 60.
Still, I don't mind my niggas old, but kind of off my scale.
Alright, so
No,
no
young
question.
than that.
That's the
Young,
question.
Yeah,
bro.
that's the question.
Oh, that's the question. Alright.
People subscribe, you understand? Subscribe
This
right
one,
now, people.
the question you ask and you get the answer. When you pop 1 first balloon.
Pop one. You don't see a film. Like, mama want pop this a man a balloon too.
I want to ask why, because I probably know, right?
Yeah.
But we'll find out, right?
Bro, shit, it
Come,
too
come
old,
to the side,
bro.
eh? And you have to tell me why you pop his balloon.
Alright, so you're just not my type. You're just not
Basically.
my type overall.
Oh, it's not the age?
If you hear that from a female, bro, that hurt my heart. It hurt me. It better you text me or call me on my phone. Get my number from one of my friend them and say me is not your type. But for tell me in my face, I want a balloon for popping myself because you're not gonna pop my balloon into my hand. Me will pop it myself.
The age first made up on the same. I like to rest on the chest. I don't want to be bending. You know?
Okay.
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah, he's just not my type.
So much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
I'll give you a 5.5.
5.5.
I'll be a
What do you think
point.
about that, Maji?
Well, overall, I'm okay with that.
Darling.
Wait. What do you think about she?
For she overall,
Hold on, they like Choppy one cry, bro. Oh God. Oh God, bro. I know this channel, you understand, Trouble, what them name? Trouble Link. I know they gonna do some more pop balloons. So you just go on it and see if you can find love. You must find love, bro.
the reason why I kept the balloon unpopped was
Yeah.
because for a fluffy girl, she know how to carry herself. Nails, toes them like cranny, and all them thing there. So,
I do nails, by the way, so I get them done. It doesn't cost me a thing.
Darling.
well,
Alright.
that's a plus for me.
Oh, so that's the reason.
Yeah.
So much should I rate her?
Basically, I'll give her a 8.
Yeah. Alright. Alright, not so bad.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so it wasn't that much today. Walk with grace here. Alright, my G. So it's down to 1. You're gonna ask her a question. We're gonna see if it's a match. That good with you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Your question?
What role do you think that a female would play in a household?
The one that will make the household a home.
Brawling.
The one, yes, that one that will make the household a home.
A
yes.
home.
Yeah.
So, example, all right, you work, you come in, the dinner is all prepared, you're tired, I can be someone that you can vent to. Practically, in a nutshell, I'll be a peace.
Remember,
that
she's
key
a
word,
call
peace.
center, bro.
Peace, right?
So she
I'm
quick.
not stress you.
Yeah.
I'm that.
Fast like
I'm very
car.
homebody. I don't really like go out much. Just from time to time. I love me yard. But yeah, I'll make it a home for you.
Okay.
Alright. So she answered the question?
Answer the question.
Alright, my G. So based on the answer, she asks you a question, you ask her. Is this a match?
No.
Tell her.
So yeah.
Me tell her it's not
It's
a match.
not a
She
match?
don't like him,
It's
bro.
not so much.
Are you half a popping balloon? Yeah?
Yeah, have to
Yeah.
pop it. It's not a
you
match.
have to tell
She
me why it's
she
not.
like the guys them who she give the 9.10 and 10.100. You understand? Those guys she like. I tell you, bro.
Why you popping balloon?
Alright. Okay, so basically he's nice and all that. I like your vibe. But it's just not my type. Not my type. It's just not my type.
Alright.
Oh
Waiting.
God, it better my balloon they pop with the first guys them in a bro God. Me know say it right now in your heart and in your mind, your soul that tell us say yo, it best your balloon they pop with the first guys, bro. Because to reach right down there and then a year is not your type. Mama, you better type now.
That's what it is.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So alright, so you never pop your balloon. Why?
I mean, she carries herself well, so she look nice. So, and I was interested to hear more, so I listen.
Okay, alright, so how much you rate her from 1 to 10?
I'm an 8.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think about him?
8.5.
Hey, me know and I number 8 that you know. I different 8. Mama me 8, you me 8. Yo, like a dog and say, yo, me 8, me 8, me 8.
I was speaking to someone earlier and I was like, you know to put yourself together. You look nice, you dress nice,
then
like
she
look
give
at
her
orange
8
shirt
point
going
too
on
much.
for you. But you know, it's just
Orange is your favorite color?
no, it's actually pink.
Okay. Alright. Alright, so there's no match today.
No.
Alright, my G.
People, him have to walk with grace right now because there is no match. People, if this channel is a match, subscribe. You understand? Yes. And please do subscribe to One Code Music as well and follow me on Silk Codex on Instagram. Okay? Yes, that's Silk Codex on Instagram. This is Silk Reacts. Okay? Yes, this is Pop Balloon edition in Jamaica. Find love. People, I'm out.